everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I am making for you a smoothie inspired by the Mango Magic smoothie. So this was my favorite smoothie growing up. I always got it extra thick with a spoon, so I really wanted to make a vegan version of it to have anytime I want. So today I'm using the Vitamix A3500. So this is Vitamix's top of the line model, and I'm also using one of the brand new 1.4 litre wet containers. So this is really suited to my smoothie today as I'm doing a smaller quantity. I'm going to start with 1 frozen banana. So next I'm going to be adding some coconut yogurt in. So you can freeze this element if you like. I've decided to freeze my fruits instead. So I'm going to be using about 100 ml. I've got all of my measurements down the side. So now I've got about 200 grams of frozen mango. So I need to get all of the mango you can in while it's still in season. This is the wow element. This is what differentiates a regular mango smoothie to a Mango Magic. This is mango nectar. So this is optional if you don't want to have too much sugar because there is sugar in it. So I've got 200 mils. And last, I've just got about a cup of ice here. Add as much or as little as you want, depending on how thick you like your smoothies. If you've followed me for a while, you know that I always try and make them more thick so I can eat it with a spoon. I'm just gonna lock my lid into place as our Vitamix will not start until it's locked in place for good reason. So now I'm going to press my preset function for smoothies. So that's gonna run for 40 seconds and then turn off by itself. That already looks so spot on. Such a nice thick consistency. It's still a smoothie, but if you want to eat it with a spoon like me, you can. So the texture, it blended everything up so beautifully. Looks so delicious. Oh, that is just the way I like it. Over poured, fill it up, and I'm gonna try it with a spoon. Oh, that is spot on. I really hope you try it. Please let me know if you do and what you think. If you think it's as spot on as I do. Happy blending.